Is your brother printer stuck showing a toner low or replace toner message? Well, then this video is for you. Here, I'm going to walk you through simple steps to reset the toner on your brother printer, right from the control panel, whether you've just replaced your cartridge or dealing with a stubborn low toner warning. I'll help you clear it in just a couple of minutes. And if the video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy printer guides. Now, let's jump right into it. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, unplug your printer's power cord from the outlet. Now, open the front cover of your printer and gently slide out the toner drum. Next, press and hold the green button on your printer. While you're still holding it, quickly plug the power cord back into the outlet. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you're running into other issues with your brother printer, just drop a comment below. Now, let's move on to the next part. Check whether the toner, drum, and paper lights start flashing. Keep holding the green button for about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, let go of the green button, press it 9 times. Take a look again. Do the toner, drum, and paper lights flash once or after switching off? Go ahead and press the green button 5 times. Now, close the toner and front cover back up, and your toner reset will be complete. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.